Hello guys! In today's video we're going to take a look at the Razer Nari Ultimate Gaming Headset. They're one of my favourite gaming headsets out there, so I decided to make a video just about them. If you want to see their most up-to-date price and find out more information about them, you can check out the links in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest technology news. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Razer is one of the oldest gaming peripheral manufacturers on the market, and all of their products are aimed towards gamers. Their slogan is "Created by gamers, for gamers," which means that they understand where gamers come from and they can give them what they want every time. This year they released a gaming headset which is something we've never seen before on any other headset, the Vibrating Effect. Like almost all Razer products, this headset is completely black with some shades present across the entire device. If you're someone that likes RGB colours on your gaming peripherals, don't worry, they've got you covered. Even though it's as minimal as possible, there are RGB backlit Razer logos on each ear cup, which makes the whole headset look great. The RGB colour and the audio settings can be customised to your liking with Razer Synapse, which is the official Razer software. There are a lot of settings you can play around with, including the sensitivity of the wireless microphone. I honestly prefer peripherals that do not require any software, but it's not a huge deal. Even though the Razer Nari has a mostly plastic exterior, the headset still retains considerable weight, with metal components ensuring durability. Overhead is a firm metallic band supporting a mesh and leatherette finish with cooling gel-infused cushions to keep your ears breezy. The end result is a comfortable headset, even for extensive gaming sessions. Headsets usually have their controls on their cable, but since this headset is a wireless headset, most of the controls are placed on the ear cups, where they are easy to reach. On the left ear cup you'll find a retractable microphone and mute button, alongside power and an integrated game mixer. For wired connectivity, a 3.5mm combo jack is offered, with a micro USB port for charging. On the right ear cup there's a simple volume wheel which lets you make adjustments as you play. If you play competitive games, you'll love that there's a toggle on the headset to balance the game and chat audio if you're having trouble hearing one or the other. What I love the most about this headset is that you can use it in both wired and wireless mode. If you decide to go with the wireless mode, the best part is that the cable will be stored inside the headset, so if you move often, you won't have to worry about packing it up every time you leave your house. The audio itself is pretty clear and good enough for the most demanding games. They have heavy bass and the tones sound clear and with no distortion at all. When we tested this headset with some games, we were expecting it to perform not so well on some of them, but the Nari managed to surprise us, keeping our mouths wide open on every game we tested. Okay, so the main reason this headset gained so much popularity is Hypersense, which is a technology that processes the most intense audio signals from whatever device it's connected to and reproduces them as vibrotactile frequencies, which makes you feel like you're sitting next to a subwoofer. Haptic feedback on the Razer Nari Ultimate is quite good. Since it's a pretty new thing, it's very hard to describe the strange feeling you get from it, so to understand it, you'll have to test them out for yourself. Even if you don't like fancy things like this, you can easily disable it from the Razer Synapse and enjoy the rest of the things this headset has to offer. Not everything is perfect, right? Well, the only thing I didn't like about this headset is that they don't fit that securely onto your head, so if you're someone that likes to lay down while playing games, you'll have a little trouble with them, because they'll keep falling off. The not so secure fit also makes the headset lose its noise isolation, so that's a thing you should take note of. Don't get me wrong, it's not like you have to balance them on your head to keep them in place. On the contrary, they're pretty good, but there are headsets that have an even better fit. The Razer Nari Ultimate has two connection options, one being wireless and the other being a 3.5mm jack. Overall, I'd say it's a very nice headset, but I think there are some good headphones at a better price than this. If you like to keep up with the latest technology, then go for it. You'll love this headset. If you want something to buy it for life, you should look somewhere else, because this headset is not something that'll last you for more than 5 years, in my opinion. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.